everyone, to all food fanatic out there. Here are the best restaurants that are highly recommended here in Manila. And if you're looking for Mediterranean food and Asian food, you can visit this restaurant out here. Sa mga ka-food fanatic out there, tara let's, samahan nyo ako. Ang una nating puntahan is Emerald Restaurant located here in Jedesco Terrace 114 Rojas Boulevard, Manila. They are open Mondays to Sundays, 6:30 a.m. to 9 p.m. And the Arabian Grill is open at 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. and located here in Zone 10, San Rafael DD Meridian Avenue, Pasay City. And it was the opposite side of Mr. Kebab. Guys, this is one of the best night ever, and it was be another couple date, but it's an extraordinary night for us. Yes, we are here in Emerald Restaurant and we order mango shake and watermelon shake. And if you're looking for Chinese food, this is the best restaurant for you guys. Dahil sa small eater lang kami, so ang in-order namin ay hindi karamihan. We just order small amount of steamed ribs and dumplings. They have a lot of them sold out here, pero dalawa lang ang in-order namin. Nag-order rin kami ng fried rice. Siyempre Asian tayo, so we love to eat rice. Ito yung puset. Just like a calamaris. Oh my God, ang sarap ng kanilang dumpling. Sobra. Uulitin mo pa siya. And they have their tea. Ito yung isang bigis nila with taupo. At panalo din ang lasa ng fried rice nila, yang chow na yang chow. Mapapawaw ka talaga, super busog mats nung kumain kami dito. At hindi lang yun, nag-carbs na nga ako, nagsutanghon pa ako. Panalo din ang sutanghon nila. Actually, sabi ko hindi ako kakain na marami kasi talagang marami yung mga portion ng mga in-order naming mga food. But then, nung nakita ko at nalasahan ko ang sutanghon, oh my God, so sarap. Itong dumplings, ako ang nakaubos. At gusto ko pa siyang ulitin. Ganun kasarap mga guys. So, highly recommended. Super soup ng taupo nila. And then, yung abalon nila, ang sarap din. Wala kang itulak kabigin. Hindi sayang ang pera mo dito pag kumain ka. And the price is right. Hindi ganong kamahal, affordable siya. Hindi naman din ganong kamura. Eksakto lang talaga mga guys. And everything is presented with care, attention to details. The food is so really amazing. Napaka-fresh lahat. Especially the main dish. Naku, sarap. This is one of the favorite with the whole dining experience mga guys. Subukan nyo, itry nyo para malaman nyo. Ganon. Pagdating kasi sa food, matindi ang taste bud ko. Kasi marunong din naman ako magluto. Sa Emerald Restaurant, 10 out of 10. I give a chef kiss. Sarap. And in the following week, it's another casual date. We jump to Arabian Grill. This is the most romantic and most elegant dining experience ever in the city. You get to dine in a beautiful glass dome, and they offer African, Filipino, and Mediterranean dishes. The place is so wide and clean, but then dahil sa Mediterranean ang pinaka pagkain dito, so amoy na amoy mo ang kanilang mga spices. But it's not disturbing, it's very authentic. Amoy na amoy mo talaga yung lasa ng Mediterranean food. At one more thing, talaga yung nagluluto nila dito, ang chef nila is Arabian person. Ganon. Nakita ko siya eh. And while waiting for the food that we order, ito, nakuha ko bang manggulo. Kunting pa-charm, charut. At ito na, food is coming. One thing that I admired here is yung ang bait ng kanilang staff. Look at this. She is beautiful with a sweet smile. Honestly, ito yung isang tinitignan ko sa restaurant, yung mga warm welcome na mga staff. Gaganahan kang kakain. But by the way, ito na yung aming hummus. Hummus na bingot. Kasi hindi ko pa nabidyuhan, nabingutan na ng aking kasama. So, madalas din akong kumakain ng mga Mediterranean food dati sa ibang bansa. And then, masasabi mo dito na natikman ko to, it's an authentic food. Parang ang dating is nandito yung kusina nila, ganon. Nakaka-bring back memories talaga. Char, may ganon. By this time, nagkaka-chit-chat kami ng staff nila. So, tawanan lang ng tawanan. And while waiting for the main dish, nagpapakita ko sa aking camera. At ito na ang pagkain na hinaantay namin. We ordered 1 beef biryani and 1 lamb biryani. This is the one I choose, beef biryani. Wait lang mga guys, taste reveal ko yan mamaya kung anong lasa. At ito naman yung lamb biryani. Oh, sarap diba? Actually, it is that one too. Yeah. Taste reveal. The whole dining experience, sobrang sarap niya guys. The food is so flavorful. The food is so juicy and buttery. And it blends well with the taste. The meat is so tender. And I end up with a mango juice. So perfect. Ang sarap guys. The whole dining experience for us is 10 out of 10. Note, give a chef kiss. Mwah! I can say it's definitely worth it. Ang sarap talaga guys. After the taste reveal, I continue and enjoy my food. So again, it's highly recommended. It's a halal food. Anyway guys, Arabian Grill is open at 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. And it's located in Zone 10 San Rafael D.D. Meridian Avenue, Pasay City. It's opposite of Heritage Hotel, and it's opposite also of Jollibee, and it's beside of Double Dragon. As I check on website, they have their own Facebook page, so you can connect and you can check their prices. Hindi rin ganun siya kamahal, affordable, and the food quantity is sakto lang sa price, but the food quality is perfect. I cut off my dinner with mango shake. Ang napansin ko sa mango shake nila, wala siyang milk. I think so. Pure mango lang siya. Mango puree. Ganon. Ang tamis, masarap. What next is Mr. Kebab. Malapit lang din siya rito. Isang round mo lang. It's an opposite of 101 Hotel. Malapit na rin ito sa MOA. And the location is Shell Residencia, Extension Corner ng Sunrise, Pasay City pa rin. Ito ang area niya. Ayan ang 101 Hotel. Along the highway. So we are here. Samahan niyo po ulit kaming kumain at mag-review. Para sa susunod, meron na kayong pagbabasihan kung anong restaurant ang pupuntahan nyo. I hope these videos will help you to find out where is the best restaurant for you guys. Restaurant na highly recommended na di masasayang ang pera nyo after nyong kumain. Na masasabi nyo, wow, babalikan kita dahil nasarapan ka. Ganun guys. Iyan ang isang specific category ko kapag namimili ako ng kainan. Yung nagmark siya sa isip mo para alam mo kung kailan mo siya babalikan at kung gusto mo pa siyang balikan. Ganun. And here is their menu. This time, we just order a little. They have a lot of food to order. You can check their menu in social media as well. So, tara na. Di ko na patatagalin pa. They have also their sweets. Frozen sweets. Meron din sila mga cakes. Ayan ang mga sweets nila is in the freezer. One of my friends suggests that I will order their sweets, their cakes, kasi masarap nga daw talaga. Kasi di ko trinay. And they have a wide and clean area to, but then pag kumakain kami sa labas, it's not busy hour para more on attention makukuha mo sa mga staff. So, parati ang drama namin is early dinner, ganun, pag kumakain kami sa labas. Here is the food that we ordered. Ang sarap kasi grilled siya. It's grilled beef with rice and tomato on side. At nag-order kami ng avocado shake and mango shake. Ito yung best seller nila is a cello beef. Ang sarap niya guys. Meron silang mga garlic sauce. Ayan, may sauce sila on side. So you can choose whatever you want to put. For me, the quantity of rice is marami siya para sa akin. So hindi ko siya kayang ubusin. Pero ang sarap niya, it's a long rice. It's Indian rice. The meat is so tender, buttery, so tasty. Panalo ang lasa guys. Hope you guys like this video and subscribe as well. Please let us know and comment down below. Please like, share, and subscribe and get notified of the next videos to come so that you don't miss anything. Thank you so much for watching, and this is the Yukisis channel, your food fanatic for today.